this is the fundamental, key difference in the whole Swiss DET model. The important thing is that the demands of the industry is the driving force of education, which means that the demand as required by the companies for their current and future needs actually decides what kind of course, what kind of curriculum, and what kind of training is going to be. So it's a demand-based supply model. And based on the demand, analysis is done to understand how to convert that into educational modules. And then the development of the curriculum is done. Not only the development is done from a content and aids point of view, training aids point of view, but also from the qualification and assessment point of view. And then only the infrastructure required for training in a PPP model, which involves the government, which involves the industry, where the trainers are both from the industry as well as the government, are ready for the deployment, and then the actual program starts. So it's a very well balanced system which continuously ensures that the industry demands of the future are continuously met by what the courses are being offered.